What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of Gad Talks. Today we are going to take a first look and a basic review of the DM100 4G Android smartwatch, which is about 2.86 inches big, and it's definitely a significant upgrade from its predecessors, the DM98 and the DM99. Before we begin today, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, as I'll be coming up with new regular videos on the latest gadgets, electronics, and smartwatches. I will also have my eBay affiliate link in the video description below, so if you guys do want to purchase this watch after this video, you guys can use my eBay affiliate link below, and I will earn a commission at no extra cost to you. And if you guys do want me to take a basic review or a first look on any other gadgets or smartwatches, leave a comment in the video comment section below. I will see what I can get my hands on, and will do my best to provide you guys with the video of that. Now let's begin. Now this watch goes for anywhere between $140 to $160 on eBay. You could probably get it for cheaper on AliExpress itself, but do keep in mind, AliExpress, you may have to wait a longer shipping time, because most of the products on there comes from China. Versus on eBay, you may be able to find local merchants who are willing to ship this product out of, for example, the US, which would take significantly shorter, especially in this time of the pandemic. So if you want to get it within 2 weeks or less, you could probably order it off eBay from a local supplier, and you should be able to get it, especially in the US, within 2 weeks. Now let's begin. Now I wanna first compare this watch with the predecessor, DM98. Now this is the 2.86 inch DM100 smartwatch, and this is the DM98 smartwatch. You can see the difference in size, which is about a 0.7 inch difference, and you could see the difference. It's significantly bigger. If you are into big watches, I think this would be probably the biggest watch you can get your hands on as of today, in 2020. And I really like the size of this watch, because I feel like the 2.2 inches for the DM98 and the DM99 was kind of awkward, because it was big, but it wasn't like, it didn't stick out. Versus this one, it's like, you know, it's obvious that it's a big watch, and there's nothing else that really comes close to it at this point. Let's check out some of the new updates that this watch has to offer. Now this watch is a 4G smartwatch, but you do have to consult with your mobile carrier to see if they provide you with a SIM card for you to actually get data on this watch. But even if you don't have a SIM card, you will still be able to connect to Wi-Fi and through Bluetooth to your phone. So you can still connect to Wi-Fi to go online if you don't have a SIM card, and if you want to do anything that's phone related, you can connect it to your Bluetooth, your phone through Bluetooth. We're gonna check out the interface of this watch. Now this watch comes with several watch faces that have not been seen before, and you can upload or even add new watch faces as usual, as before. So this is a refreshing new interface with some refreshing new watch faces as well. So I think the two very often presented watch faces that goes with this watch is this one, which is really cool. This was not seen in the older watches before. And this one. This watch comes in an Android 7.1 operating system versus the Android 5.1 in its predecessors. So you can expect some things new. Now you're going to have your basic functions, your phone functions. If you connect to your phone or use a SIM card, you will be able to use these functions. You can also go online, of course, after you connect to Wi-Fi or get a SIM card, and you will be able to just virtually access online anywhere. But, you know, I personally would just connect to Wi-Fi because on my phone, I don't need an extra device to connect to the internet, especially on a smaller screen. Now you're going to have your other basic standard functions, as in your older watches, Android watches. You also have a 5 megapixel camera on here, which is just right here. So it's not the side or anything, which is it's not different from the previous watches. So you have your front view camera just right here with 5 megapixels. I believe it was 2 megapixels on the DM100 before. So you should see quite a bit of a improvement in your picture quality. Now we're going to go through some of the other functions of this watch. You're going to have your heart rate monitor, which is standard. You're going to have your app store. So if you want to add any additional apps, just like an Android watch would, or a Android phone would, you will be able to do that by accessing the Play Store. We can also see this is the other app that comes with. So you need to download FunFit. That is the app that you need to download. I think some of the other common questions for anyone who's purchased this watch and getting set up would be how to actually set the time up. So we can go ahead and show you that right now. It'll be in settings. And through date and time, you should be able to set up your time either manually or connecting to your watch or your phone through Bluetooth. And that should automatically update your time according to your phone. Now some of these are pretty standard functions, so we're not going to go through all of them. We're going to check out the other menus. This looks the same as what it was before. So is this. And the interface is almost about the same, except for some updated and refreshed icon looks. There's your pedometer, your basic fitness tracker functions. So the amount of steps, the calories, and also measuring your heart rate. Now, all in all, I think this is actually a really cool watch because it sticks out a lot more than the DM100 and DM100. It's just a lot bigger. It feels like you can actually browse through this a lot more comfortably. For the price that it's on the market, if you're able to get this for cheaper than $140, I think that's a pretty good deal. That means you will probably have to get it from AliExpress and directly from China. If you don't mind waiting the maybe 3 to 4 weeks now, especially in this time of the pandemic, you could get quite a bit of a deal. If not, you can get it from eBay. And it'll be about, I would say, $20 to $30 more expensive. But I do like the watch. It has a really cool look to it. And I think the style is a lot better just because of how much bigger it is comparing to its predecessors. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave a comment on what you guys like to see next. I will try my best to provide regular videos. And I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you very much.